बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पीपीएससी जोलॉजी के अकॉर्डिंग एक मॉडल पेपर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जिसमें 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं। फर्स्ट वीडियो में फर्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस और सेकंड वीडियो में नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए जाएंगे जिसमें 20 जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस होंगे। और ये पेपर जोलॉजी के जो मेन कंटेंट्स हैं उनको कवर कर रहा होगा। टेक इट एज अ प्रैक्टिस पेपर ताकि आप इसको एग्जामिन कर सकें, देख सकें कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन जोलॉजी के कंटेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग कितनी बेहतर है। Let's move to the question number 1. Which of the following is not a common way of locomotion in protozoa? As far as protozoa or animal like protists are concerned, they make use of cilia, flagella or pseudopodia for their locomotion. But fimbriae, they are the structures of bacteria. That's why right option is delta. The specific structures for excretion in ciliates, it includes cytophytes, that is anal pore or excretory structure, while cytosome is the oral groove actually. So right option is alpha. Number 3, episodes of fever which are repeated after an interval of 72 hours during the infection of this type of plasmodium. It is plasmodium malariae, जिसमें 72 आवर्स के बाद जो है वो सिम्टम्स रिपीट होती हैं, जबकि बाकी में ऑलमोस्ट 48 आवर्स और फाल्सीपेरम में जो कोई स्पेसिफिक जो है वो रियकरेंस नहीं है। सो राइट ऑप्शन चार्ली. Leukocyllina belongs to what type of sponge? Leukocyllina is an asconide sponge, और बाकी जो है वो दूसरी टाइप्स के स्पंजेस आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि ल्यूकोनाइड हैं और साइकोनाइड स्पंजेस हैं। ल्यूकोनाइड में आप एग्जांपल देख सकते हैं यूस्पॉन्जिला की या यूस्पंजिया और साइकोन स्पंज साइकोनाइड स्पंजेस में। ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है स्पंजेस के हवाले से जिसमें पास्ट पेपर्स में बार बार क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं। Glass sponges, they are the representative of which class? They are the representative of class Hexactinellidea. So right option is alpha. What is the name of specific free-swimming larval form of sponges? It is the free-swimming larval form that is known as Parenchyma larva. Bipinnate larva was shown in the first diagram, which is the common larval form in echinoderms. Planular larva in case of cnidarians, and mular larva is also observed in some invertebrate groups. Nidocytes in cnidarians are equipped with a triggering structure, nidocyl. It is modified form of a cilium actually. So right option is Charlie. Cnidarian में characteristic needle-like structures ये cilium से modified हैं. At least 8 mesenteries of gastrovascular cavity are observed in class Anthozoa or sea anemone. So right option is beta. Which of the following reef encircle a lagoon but not an island? There are basic 3 types of coral reefs: fringing, atolls, and barrier. Right option over here is atoll. An atoll is a ring-shaped coral reef consisting of a coral rim that encircles a lagoon. Barrier reef is a coral reef parallel to the shore but is separated by a channel of water. And a fringing reef is a reef that forms around a land mass. So right option over here is beta, atolls. Later type of nervous system appeared for the first time with the development of central nervous system in Platyhelminthes or Planaria. So right option is Charlie. What is the main feeding habit of Planaria? Planaria, they are mainly carnivorous. So beta is the right option. And which of the following stage of liver fluke, Pronotis sinensis, is found encysted in a fish? It's a Chinese liver fluke, and the stage which is found in encysted form in a fish is known as metacercariae, as you can observe over here in this life cycle. So right option is alpha. A scolex at the anterior end is found in certain cestodes or tapeworms. So alpha is the right option. Flatworms, they are categorized as dash according to the recent studies. They are categorized polyphyletic group due to their diverse body forms. And ciliated crown of the rotifer is known as corona. As you can see over here, corona is a ciliated crown in these rotifers. Proteinephridia of gastrotricha, they are equipped with selenocytes rather than cilia or flame cells. So right option is beta in this case. Most common roundworm infection is the infection of pinworm, which is cosmopolitan in nature, and it is the most common form which infects human. Fossil record indicates that mollusca originated in marine water. So right option is alpha. Supporting cartilage of radula is known as odontophore. So beta is the right option. Which of the following is not a cephalopod? Pteridot, a shipworm, is not a cephalopod. The other three, Nautilus, sepia, and it is a pteridot, and the last one, Loligorskid, they are the uh, representative members of cephalopods. So इसमें right option हमारे पास Charlie. Number 21, the advanced larval form in marine mollusk is villager larva. So right option is beta. Number 22, which of the following is most abundant and largest class of mollusca? Its gastropoda represented by snails. The terminal part in annelid crustaceans and some arthropods is known as pygidium or pygidium. Right option is Charlie. Some polychaete live most of the year as sexually immature animals known as ethos. So right option is Charlie in this case. In oligochaete, wall of the intestine is enfolded to form a structure which greatly increases the absorptive and digestive surface area. That structure, which is formed in earthworm to increase the surface area, is known as typhlosole. So right option is alpha. Unlike other annelids, leeches have a fixed number of somites, and these are usually 34 in number. It's also questioned in the past PPSC exams. The ecdysone hormone in arthropod, which is involved in ecdysis, is basically a steroid hormone. So alpha is the right option. Which of the following group depicts or shows relatively more complex innate behavior as compared to others? As far as arthropods are concerned, their innate behavior, such as that observed in honeybees, it's quite complex as compared to others. So Charlie is the right option. Reduced pair of wings in Diptera is known as halter. So right option is beta. While, as you can observe in this diagram as well, elytra, they are sclerotized hard front wings that are found in beetles, Coleoptera, or Dermaptera order. Hemielytra, they are front wings that are leathery at the base and membranous near the tip. They are found in Hemiptera or bugs. Tegmina, front wings that are completely leathery or parchment-like in texture. They are found in Orthoptera, grasshoppers, Blatoidea, cockroaches, or Mantoidea. So right option is beta. Most of the insects, they carry out which type of metamorphosis? Most commonly holometamorphous insects, or those insects which are carrying complete metamorphosis are more common. Odonata in insects is represented by two types of flies, dragonflies and damselflies. So alpha is the right option. Brittle stars and basket stars are the members of class Ophiuridea. So Charlie is the right option. Tornaria is the characteristic larval stage that is observed in hemichordates. So right option is Charlie. Number 34. Retention of juvenile or larval traits in the adult body is actually known as pedomorphosis. And which of the following is not the feature of class Myxini? Class Myxini, they show no paired appendages. They have no appendages actually which are paired. They are having no stomach as well as pronephric kidneys, but the skeleton is cartilaginous rather than bony. So right option is beta. The largest known fish is basically a type of shark known as whale shark, and that is a cartilaginous fish. So beta is the right option. Number 37. Fish species which pass their adult life in the sea and then return to the freshwater for spawning are known as anadromous fishes, while catadromous term is the reverse for it, and oceanoromous they move within the ocean. List amphibians diversified during which period to produce ancestors of the amphibians? They diversified during Carboniferous period. So right option is alpha. Fused caudal vertebrae in frogs, they are represented by a structure known as urostyle. And mating position of frogs when male clasps the female from back is known as amplexis. So Charlie is the right option. What percentage of body weight is occupied by the turtle brain? They're having relatively smaller brains. It's almost 1% of their body weight. So alpha is the right option. Which of the following is the group of arboreal lizards? Chameleons, they are considered as arboreal lizards as compared to others. So right option is Charlie. And the function performed by the pit organ in snakes is thermoreception. Omnivorous birds, they are having a wide range of feeding that is termed as euryphagus. Specific feeding जो birds करते हैं उनको हम नाम देते हैं stenophagous habit. In many species of grouse, males during mating season they gather in a display ground. Such displays are termed as lek or lek display sites. Parrots belongs to order Pistaciformes, but order Gruiformes it contains cranes, and Seriformes ducks, and Pelicaniformes pelicans. So right option is beta. True horns are found in ruminants, while others may have antlers or other types of horns. Mammalian dentition is divided into 4 types, based on teeth shape as well as their features, such as incisors, premolars, molars, and canines. All of the following are herbivorous except one. Insectivorous, they are not herbivorous actually, but grazers, browsers, or gnawers are the types of herbivorous animals. Next, the last question in this video. Hares, rabbits, and some rodents often eat their fecal pellet during the food for second pass through the fermenting action. It is known as coprophagy. So right option is Charlie. ये स्टूडेंट्स ये फर्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन से सेकंड वीडियो में मैं नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन जो है वो डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करूंगा, जिसमें जनरल नॉलेज के 20 क्वेश्चंस और जो बाकी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स हैं वो इंक्लूडेड हैं, जबकि ये जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस है प्रीवियस 50 दे वर मेनली फ्रॉम zoology पोर्शन, और बाकी जो जेनेटिक्स या एनवायरमेंटल बायोलॉजी के पोर्शंस हैं उनके साथ रिमेनिंग 50 क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में शेयर कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.